Hi, welcome to the first video of this playlist. In this video, we are going to write a Java program to find the value of a power b. This is the problem statement. Write a Java program to find a power b. A and b are two positive integers. So, which means user won't enter negative values as per this program is concerned. So, the input will be like a number space another number. That is, a value of a will be given first, followed by a single space and then b. So, we need to find a power b. So we are going to have two different approaches. One is we'll be using a built-in function, built-in method that is used to calculate the value in a single line. So the other one is we are going to write our own concept to calculate the same values. So now we are going to read this two values as a single string. So I have read this value and stored that value in variable named input. Now I need to split these two values 6 space 3. I need to split into two values, only then I can process this value. So we are going to split and store it in an array. So there is a method named split. So split takes an argument and split the given string into different breaks the given string into different parts with respect to the argument given here. So as per this line, the given string input will be splitted or break down into different parts with respect to single space. So now the values will be splitted and stored into this string array value. So I need integer value. So I'm just getting the first value and converting that first value into integer and storing it in value a. So b. Now so we need a third variable here for implementing our own concept. So what is the actual meaning of 6 power of 3? 6 into 6 into 6, which means 3 times 6 is multiplied with 6. So which means I need a for loop that runs 3 times, that is b times. So inside that for loop we can just straight away multiply that value of a with the value of c. Less than or equal to value of b I plus plus. So for loop will iterate from 1 to b value, c equal to c star a. So initially c will be 1, then first time when the value is added with a, c will become a, then continuously a will be added with a till the loop iterates for the value of b. So that's all. This is our own concept. So space 3. So 216 is the output. So we are getting the expected output. So this is one approach. We are jumping into the second one. In that case, this for loop is not necessary. Simply, we have a static method math.pow of a comma b. So that will find the value of a power b. So this is simpler than the previous one. So we're getting the same output. So in case if you are a beginner, try a lot of programs with your own concept rather than trying with these built-in functions. So once if you are okay with trying more concepts, then you can try more built-in concept. So hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.